Good day and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the three biotech penny stocks with diverse potentials. They are positioned for massive gains within the next months. So grab a cuppa, of course a cup of tea, and then subscribe. Okay, if you would like to know, the biotechnology industry includes companies that develop drugs and diagnostic compounds for the treatment of diseases and medical conditions. Okay, without wasting much of your time, the first company to look at is Biodelivery Sciences International with ticker symbol BDSI. Well, you probably want to know more about this company profile. Then no worries. I will inform you about the business moat, recent gains, and the company competitive advantage. You see, biotechnology firm Biodelivery Sciences International designs and manufactures vaccines, drug products, and pharmaceuticals. The company posted more than 23-fold gains in net income on a 30% year-on-year increase in net revenue. Sales soared for several of its prescription products, including Belbuca, which treats severe pain, and then Symphonic, which treats side effects from opioid treatment. And then the breakthrough in Belbuca has positioned the company with a competitive advantage over its contemporaries. Alright, let's just take a look at the chart and then examine the stock price action. Technical analysis if you like. Well, what do we have here? We have the 50 moving average above the 20 moving average before now. Well, from the look of things have changed. The 20 moving average is above the 50 moving average in that sequence on the upward trend. And this is what I will tell you. The stock will test various resistance and then support level. We'll probably test this resistance level, which is $4.8700, less than $5. And then eventually I think it's going to break. And then what is going to happen? Hallelujah. The stock is going to skyrocket to the moon if you like. Okay. Now, the next we want to look at is ASRT Holdings with the ticker symbol ASRT. And the company goals involve in licensing and acquiring assets to build on their current areas and expand into other specialties area. And if you would like to know how, well, you see, ASRT provided a capital infusion in return for an equity stakes in NEST to fund the development of late-stage product for a rare, threatening pediatric infection. And if you ask me, I would say the strategy has been very, very effective so far. Okay, let us look at the book. The financial statement. Just a summary of it. What do we have here? We have $820 million as reduction of total debt, which is a good thing. We have $502 million asset sales, and we have $410 million in operational EBITDA. I see, this is looking good. All right, and then let's have a look at the chart. Perhaps the price action. Well, presently the price is less than $1 if you say. Well, what do we have here? Previously we have the, let's have a look. We have the 50 moving average above the 20 moving average. Very recently we have the bullish momentum changing to bullish candle on the upward trend, and then the 20 moving average is now above the 50 moving average. Unlike before, if you remember, the 50 moving average was above the 20 moving average, sloping downwards. then it's now changed. The trend is changed. In this sequence, what should we expect? Well, from what we see now, and with the candle here turning to bullish momentum, the stock is going to skyrocket. Obviously, it's going to test various resistance level, and what's going to happen? Eventually, it's going to break the resistance level, and then what do we have? Hallelujah, the stock is going to go up. Okay, now the next to look at is the ATOS. What's it called now? ATOS Genetic with the ticker symbol ATOS. ATOS Therapeutic is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company seeking to discover and develop innovative medicine in areas of significant unmet medical need. ATOS current focus is on breast cancer and COVID-19. And presently, the company has a potential competitive advantage. That is, if they could achieve a breakthrough with the research and development of COVID-19 HOPE program to improve lung function and reduce the number of time patients are on ventilation. And then the 301 nasal spray for home use to proactively reduce the symptoms of the virus. Now let's have a look at the chart. What do we have here? The price presently is less than $2. Well, what do we see? Well, the 20 moving average is eventually crossing the 15 moving average. And look at the candlestick, bullish momentum. So what do we expect? Upward trend. And again, like I said, it's going to test various resistance level. Eventually, it's going to break through. Break the resistance level and on the upward journey. However, at most stages, stock does not move on a straight line. So it's going to test various support and resistance level. Please get that. However, in my opinion, these biotech penny stocks are held positioned for massive gains. And I will say, do not sleep on them. And the best investment strategy is to buy low and sell high. This is the time to buy the dip, if you ask me. Meanwhile, if you'd like to know more about the composition of penny stocks, why certain stocks are classified as penny stock, then check my video titled Penny Stock in the United Kingdom and in the US. You'll see the clip at the end of this video. Okay, seriously. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is serious. This channel wants to get to the next level. We need more subscribers. To say 500 subs, that's a good start. And I'm counting on everybody. Please subscribe. And many thanks. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.